We're not that far off from last May's activity, but we do have more homes for sale this May and are well ahead the past 2 years for new contracts. It's Friday, May 23rd, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Overall, the Maryland market is going against many other markets regarding the slowing trend for going under contract and at reduced rates. Despite the concerns over interest rates, tariffs, and layoffs, people are still buying and selling. Contracts are actually ahead this year than over the past 2 years. Let's look at the data for Maryland properties. Coming soon, properties fell 22% to 1,476. New listings rose 18% to 2,570. Homes going under contract rose slightly this week to 1,955, and in 13 days, 1,582 properties sold at 100% list to sold ratio in 9 days. Rental properties fell slightly to $2,541 for lease at $2,500 median dollars per month. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute, Friday, May 23rd, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll be taking some time off this weekend. Enjoy your weekend and take a moment to remember those who paid the ultimate sacrifice this Memorial Day. Stay safe. I'll see you next week. Take care.